So guys, we are going to be moving over to the pleated part of the top. I'll start by making a slip knot. I'm going to make a total of 120 chains, which is exactly the quantity that we have on the top round. Okay, so from here to this other end is 120 all the way around. So guys, I'm done with my 120 chains and this is what I have. I'm going to be adding, sorry I forgot to mention, I'm now working with 5.0 mm hook. So I'm going to add 3 more chains. Then I'll skip the 3 chains and go over to the fourth and make 1 double crochet here. Now the 3 chain counts as a double crochet, so we have a total of 2 double crochets. Now I'm going to chain 2 and in that same space I'll make 2 more double crochets. I'll skip 2 chains, 1 and 2, go over to the third and make 1 double crochet. Skip 1, 2 and go over to the next, make 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets. Skip 2 chains, go over to the third and make 1 double crochet. So I'll be repeating this until I get to the end of the row. I'll meet you there to show you what to do next. The end of the row guys, and this is what my work looks like. For the second row we are going to chain 3 and turn. This 3 counts as a double crochet. Going to the next stitch and make 1 double crochet. Now you have a total of 2 double crochets. In the chain 2 space make 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets. Make 1 double crochet to the next 2 stitches. Now in this 1 double crochet make a front post double crochet, and this is what we have. We have a total of 4 double crochets here and 4 double crochets here. Now make 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches, make 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochets in the chain 2 space, make 1 double crochet into the next 2 stitches, make a front post double crochet. So this is what our work looks like. You're going to continue repeating this until you get to the end of the row, where I'll meet you to show you what to do next. I'm here at the end of the row, so I'll make my last double crochet on the third chain. This is what my work looks like. Okay, so for the next row we are going to chain 3 as usual, which counts as 1 double crochet. Skip that particular stitch and go over to the next and make 1 double crochet, and continue making 1 double crochet in the remaining stitches until you are here. Then you make 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets. Go ahead and make 1 double crochet in the remaining 4 stitches. So we have 5 double crochets here and 5 double crochets here. Now this double crochet where we made front post double crochet, we're going to make back post double crochet. So we are going this way, then we come up, make 1 double crochet in all the 4 stitches, two double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochets in the chain 2 space. Make 1 double crochet to the next 4 stitches. So we have a total of 6 double crochets on both sides, 6 here and 6 here. So we started from 2, increased to 4, now to 6. They are going to keep repeating this, make back post double crochets and 1 double crochet in the next 4 stitches. So you're going to be repeating this until you get to the end of the row, where I'll meet you to show you what to do next. So guys, we're here at the end of the third round, and this is what our work looks like. Okay, so I'm satisfied with the ruffle that have formed, so I'm going to stop increasing. So the next row we're going to chain 3, which counts as a double crochet. Skip this because this already covers for it. Skip this also and go over to the next and make 1 double crochet, make 1 double crochet, make 1 double crochet. Skip this and go over to the chain 2 space and make 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets. Skip this and go over to the next and make 1 double crochet. Make 1 double crochet in the next, make 1 double crochet in the next, and 1 double crochet in the next. Skip this and make a front post double crochet. So the reason why we did this is because we want to maintain a straight line right here, and also we wouldn't want to skip 2 here rather, because we don't want we just want it to be together. So that is the reason why. So if you followed my previous tutorial where I made the skirt, you will see that the decrease on this part is different from the decrease of the skirt. Okay, so we just have to maintain the straight line here, and we don't want to have a lot of space here rather. So we still have 6 double crochets here and 6 double crochets here. So I'll go ahead and skip this and go over to the next and make 1 double crochet. In the next, 1 double crochet. In the next, 1 double crochet, and in the next, 1 double crochet. Then I'll skip this, go to the chain 2 space and make 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets. I'll continue repeating this until I get to the end of the row. I'm here at the end of the 4th row, so I already made 3 double crochets here. So I'll skip this and go over to the last double crochet, which is actually a 3 chain. So go on the 3rd chain and make my last double crochet. So we have 4 double crochets and a total of 6 double crochets. So I'm going to be repeating this 4th row until I have my desired length. Chain 3, turn, skip, because this covers it, skip this and make 3 double crochets. That's 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches, and after that we go into the chain 2 space and make 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets. Okay, so as you can see, we are keeping this even. It is okay the way it is, and I'll meet you when I'm done with mine to show you what to do next. So guys, I'm done with mine and I made a total of 18 rows, and this is what it looks like. Let me measure and show you guys how many inches I have. Measuring from the top to the bottom, 10 inches on this side, 10.5 inches on this side. So let's say 10.5 inches. Okay, so right now we are going over to connecting it to the body of our work. So you'll be needing a tapestry needle. This is the one I'm going to be using. So we are going to start our connection from the first double crochet here, and we are working on this side. This side is supposed to be at the outside, so this where it's flat is going to be in the inside. So since I have this color here, that's why I'm using this color as well. So I'm going to insert my hook in the first double crochet right here, right in this stitch. Okay, now we are starting our connection. We are skipping this part, so we don't need these 2 double crochets. We're starting exactly where we have this. We started our double crochet of 5 double crochet that we made for the hand. So I'm going into it. So guys, I am here at the end of the row. I'll just go in through this and come out again.